Welcome to DESGN 301 for the summer session. This is a 6-week course, so some students like to see how the class works before we start.
In this short video, we'll show you how to access AutoCAD. That is one of the programs that we will use a lot in this class. There are a lot of ways to get it, so you can pick what works best for you.
First, let's summarize the different ways to get it. You can see here that there are 3 main ways to access AutoCAD, and they each have pros and cons.
The first way is to download it to your computer. As a student, you get a full educational version for use in this class. But you should know that it only works right on a Windows PC, and you have to have a computer that meets the specs. The Mac version does not work right for this class, and it does not work at all on a Chromebook. You can find a link to the specs in the description area below this video.
The next option is to use the ARC computers via remote access. This requires a pretty strong internet connection, but does not require a powerful computer. As a matter of fact, it will run on just about any PC, Mac, or Chromebook.
And to access our computers remotely, you have 2 options. First, you can download a client program onto your computer and use it to connect to our computers via the internet. This way works great because you can save files directly from our computers to yours. The second option is to connect via your web browser. This option is very flexible and can be done from anywhere. The drawback is that you can't save your work directly to your computer. You have to use an intermediate step like email or Google Drive.
You may need help getting your system set up. ARC Student Tech Help is there for you.
Look for their website in the description below this video. Your professor can only point you to the right directions, but this group can help you get everything that you need installed.
So there you go. That is a brief introduction to how to access AutoCAD for this course. Please know that AutoCAD and Revit will be used in this course. Please try to get your system set up right away because this course is only 6 weeks long, so it is very fast-paced. You'll want to be ready early in the first week of class. Please contact the Student Tech Help team if you have any questions.
We hope you enjoy this class.